Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Sonia. I hope that you all are doing really great. So today we will try to know the difference between two words like and as. So basically like means similar to. It is used as a preposition before noun and pronoun. So whenever we want to compare any appearances, then we can also use like. For example, we can say she runs like a horse and she is like a cute doll. And when it comes to as, that means enroll something or someone. Whenever we want to talk about people's job or activities, then we can also use as. As is basically used as a preposition before noun. For example, we can say, I'm going to teach you as a teacher, or she act as a student. So we must know the difference between as and like, because if I say as your brother I will help you, that means I'm your brother and I'm going to help you. And if I say like your brother I will help you, that means I'm not your brothers, but I'd like to play the role of your brother. So I hope guys you get it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.